Hey guys, so we're at the mall and we're gonna try some products. We're gonna start off with Ghost. Let's see what it tastes like.
Hey, that actually tastes pretty good.
Energy? No.
What does it taste like?
Oh.
It tastes like a ghost, son.
Ooh.
That's funny.
I say no.
It tastes like a raspberry ghost.
He says yes.
I like it.
Let's try the next. Now we're gonna try these wild protein chips. Let's see how it goes. Open it up. Golly.
They don't want you to
Hold
try
on. Okay, we got it open. No, we don't got it open. Okay, you take first one. Oh, it smells funny.
That tastes like a waffle.
It tastes just like a waffle. It's super sweet, almost like a pretzel.
So it tastes like a waffle, but like a pretzel?
If you like sweet things, waffle. My son didn't like it.
And you
So-
get 13 grams of protein.
I don't know, for the price, no.
I don't like it.
Okay, on to the next one. Okay, Buffalo, let's see if these are any better.
I know how to open them now.
Okay. Oh, he got it now.
Like a master.
Like a master.
Oh, that one's good.
Alright, let's see. What happened
That's
to
better.
ladies first?
You told me to go first.
Yeah.
That's much better.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll buy it at the beginning.
No.
Try. Let me try.
Oh, you're not gonna like it, baby. It's spicy.
Hey, you're not supposed to double
Oh, it's spicy.
dip. That's not spicy.
Okay, they're better than the other ones, but I could not eat a whole bag because it's almost like a Tabasco sort of. I don't know.
That's what I like.
So I
Also,
wouldn't.
13 grams of protein.
I wouldn't. But if you like sort of like that buffalo style, then yes. Okay, last but not least. We're gonna try the protein Pop-Tart. Let's.
Here, ladies first.
No. If it's nasty, I want you to tell me that it's
ladies
nasty
first.
first. Show it. You didn't even.
I did.
It tastes nothing like a Pop-Tart.
I'm just giving it to you.
It doesn't taste bad. I can't.
Aiden, if it goes down there.
It's like a really.
It looks like a Pop-Tart.
This is the best snack that I've had from all of these. Damn! I gotta take a little bite.
That's not bad. I would like to toast it.
Maybe if it's toasted. No. That what it look like?
It's pretty smooth.
I like it. Not too sweet, but this one is my favorite one out of all of them.
It is cakey.
20 grams of protein, though. This costs
It's not too sweet.
$3, I think it was.
It's not too sweet. It's pretty good.
So I would say no to that. I would say no to the protein chips. I would say yes to this only if you have a really big craving for Pop-Tarts and a more softer, cakey like.
And I'm saying yes to this, no to the what are those, one chips? I don't know.
Yeah, the waffle.
Yes to the spicy chips and yes to this.
All right, have y'all tried any of these?